We're currently doing wake surfing right now. Say hello. Okay, so I went wake surfing for the first time in my life, and honestly, I was not good at it in the beginning. Yeah. But with anything, you just keep learning and you pick yourself up even if you fall. I tried! Just do it! Mamu basically gave advice to just not try so hard and to just go with the flow. It was very simple advice, but eventually I caught on what he meant, and it really just showed me that I didn't need to be so rigid on the board and I could be more flexible. And once I just took things more easily, I found my balance and I was able to wake surf. I'm getting great content for your vlog. The water is really gross here, by the way. I know.
Yeah. Close your mouth.
Edge of the board. Yeah.
Fuck my life.
Nice! Do your left! Yes! One hand. Yeah! Okay, y'all, but wake surfing honestly is really fun. I had such a good time. Here's Kaylee, who honestly has impeccable balance. Here's Corinne, who actually didn't need the rope and she was really just killing the waves. And there's Dedek, who was just really smooth with it. I've completed wake surfing this morning. I'm currently in Keppel Drive area. It's a very nice walk. I'm headed towards Marina at Keppel Drive, and my friend Tracy rented a boat for us to go on for her birthday. That's where I'm headed now. And yeah, I guess today is just like being in the water all day. I bought lemons and some chips. I have coffee to keep me awake for the entire rest of the day until 8 p.m. and then I'm gonna head on to the boat and just have a good time. I'm a little bit tired, but I have tomorrow off as well, so it's not too bad. But wow, this area is really nice. With Coach Mark. Hey! We are playing tennis today near Clark Key. This is our court. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna stretch before because I haven't played tennis in a long time. And I'm actually still really sore from wake surfing and from being on a boat a while back. So yeah, I'm not in good shape right now. Everything hurts. So fun fact, I used to play tennis in high school and a little bit in college, but ever since I came to Singapore, it was harder for me to find tennis courts. But this was the first time in a while that I played tennis in the past couple of months. Look how red I am. I am so red. Thanks to Coach Mark. Woo! Yay, I'm great. I feel great. I could have done better though, I think, but it's okay. Our view. So I am currently at Poppy's Tacos right now. It's the new location in Tanjong Pagar. So this is our view. I'm waiting for Jane right now to come in. but I ordered a margarita first. Basically, it's $10 for happy hour, so I just started off early with a marg. I'm gonna try my margarita. It's very nice and slushy. Not bad. Maybe it could be a little bit stronger, but salt rim, my favorite. It is Thursday today. It's not Taco Tuesday, but today I'll just say that it's Taco Thursday. Jane Kim, smile! I'm here with Jane today, and what are we doing today?
Eating tacos and seeing a light show.
Yes.
Best day.
Yes. And then panning back to the tacos. Spice test.
This
Try
looks
it.
very spicy, but it's supposed to be the mildly spicy version.
Mildly spicy? Okay. How's it? Is it spicy? Let me try it. I'm gonna try it.
It's not like super
Not
spicy,
too bad.
but
Okay. This is supposedly the
alright, it's
spiciest. It's alright. Okay. This is a spicy thing that'll kill you. I'll try it later. Jane, look how many people there are. There's a magic show happening. Wow, I haven't seen live shows in so long. Especially in Singapore. There's so many people, I'm not used to this.
I love people.
Thursday night and it's Liddy in Singapore.
Yes, we just had what did we have?
Poppy's tacos.
No, mojito or margaritas. We had margaritas, tacos, and quesadillas, and we're feeling good.
We feel really good.